in spherical polar coordinate r theta phi, the unit vector theta cap at 10 pi by 4 pi by 2, right. So we studied detailed manner that unit vector matrix, how r cap represent, how theta cap represent, how phi cap represent in different coordinate system. In spherical polar coordinate r cap, theta cap, phi cap. In cylindrical coordinate r cap, phi cap, z cap, right. So we studied separately and the value. What value we studied for theta cap? Right. Theta cap we studied as, right, tell me, cos theta, cos phi I cap plus cos theta sin phi j cap minus sin theta k cap. Alright, this is the value we studied. But this is our r theta phi value, right. Now you can substitute here theta, alright, here theta value they given and phi value also given. Then if you substitute phi pi by 2 here, this part cos 90 is 0, then this part is 0, right. Here cos theta, that is cos pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2, sin phi is 1, then j cap minus sin theta, then sin pi by 4, again 1 by root 2 k cap. Then what I can write? J cap minus k cap divided by root 2, right. Then which is the option? Option D is correct, right. Alright.